So guys, this was my base, but somebody griefed it. Wait, my friend is sending me a TP.
You would find.
So,
You were doing fine.
this is my teammate that I just accepted. This is my teammate. I lost everything, so you have to gear me up. Can you give me some stuff?
Oh, I'm broke.
Bro, I don't have... Oh, I have like a kit.
I got some of this.
I have a bad kit, but I think we can work with this. So guys, what do you think about me killing my teammate?
Bag, honest.
He went AFK.
I get it. Like you're not bad. You need something a bit more.
So it's fucking killing time. Wait. I am very bad at crystal. So I dropped him. Now I have full netherite. He ain't getting that back. So yes. I think it was worth it. If you want, my guy, you can take my old armor. So, should I do some fucking bro,
Carrying me to the pub.
quick drop.
Brother.
Oh, fire.
Brother.
Bro, this guy is a fucking quick drop. I don't know why he can't just... You just take your stuff down, bother me, and I will leave you alive.
Where was that?
Brother. Give my loot back this instant.
You are not getting your loot, you know that.
Then die.
So, I think this guy thinks he's like some main character. This guy is insane.
Dude.
Put this in the shulker and
This is on to the canary.
leave him alone there. So, I think the best thing to do right now is put this with 2 million, quick sell it, because the faster I get money, the better.
Oh,